This might be a severe thunderstorm warning. Is it? Is it? Is it?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Mercer County in central New Jersey, north central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Langhorne, or 7 miles west of Trenton, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. 6 miles per hour. Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. Including at 7 p.m., you have severe coastal warning over Langhorne, 7 miles west of Trenton, at 14 miles per hour. One foot, 6 miles per hour, at 45 p.m. Florence, Logan, Morristown, for your protection, move to an area on the north floor of a building. Large hail and damaging wind. Georgetown, Remington, Yardley, Newtown, Collegetown, Langhorne, Washington Crossing, Woodside, Whitehorse, Causeway, Pleasantville, torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties.
Severe thunderstorm is located over Langhorne, or 7 miles west of Trenton, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. 15 miles per hour wind direction is and power lines if possible. Locations in Texas include Trenton, Ewing, Bristol, Bordentown, Pennington, Yardley, Newtown, Hamilton Square, Langhorne, Levittown, Lawrenceville, Florence, Logan, and Morristown. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Worcester and Bucks, Pennsylvania,